Okay, hey guys, what's up? And today I'll be playing with Monkey Rat.
9796, or as many of you call me, Monkey Rat VR.
And my dream is to get 100 or 100 subs by the end of this year.
Nice goal.
Like goal. And
My dream
subs.
is to hit 2K on TikTok. So yeah, if you could follow me, that'd be really appreciated.
I forgot about the wind barrier. The only reason why I'm recording right now is because I won't be able to record on the new Gorilla Tag update, so. And if this video even comes out because there's something wrong with uploading videos on Oculus, then thank you for watching. But it's not the end of the video yet, so. What color do you think we should not touch? Trying to get to forest. I'm not gonna touch green. Actually, never mind. I'm gonna go to forest, Monkey Rat. Wanna come? Or are you already there? Monkey Rat? Hello? What? Okay, this is very, you know, very great. Totally great. In fact, I'm enjoying this. Guys, did he go in silence, or did he like actually leave with noise? Okay, this is just a short. See you later.